Welcome to today's lecture on using present continuous with time expression. Alright, so let's dive into the fascinating world of time expressions in the present continuous tense. This tense is all about actions happening right now, at the moment of speaking. Adding time expressions to the present continuous can give us more context and a clearer picture of what's going on. Present continuous is a powerful tool in English that allows us to express actions happening right now. When we pair it with time, expressions like at the moment, right now, currently, nowadays, or these days, we bring a sense of immediacy to our sentences. For example, you could say, I'm studying for an exam at the moment, to convey that your focus is on studying right now. Or, she's working on a project right now, to highlight her current activity. And don't forget, they're currently living in Paris, to emphasize their present living situation. Using present continuous with time expressions is all about pinpointing actions in the present moment. It adds a sense of urgency and relevance to your statements. First up, we have the basic time expressions like now, at the moment, or currently. These words emphasize the immediacy of the action, showing that it's happening as we speak. For example, I am studying now, or she is working at the moment. Next, we have time expressions that indicate a specific duration, such as for and since. For is used to show how long an action has been going on, like I have been waiting for an hour. On the other hand, since is used to pinpoint the starting point of the action, as in she has been studying since morning. Then, we have time expressions that refer to the near future, like later or this evening. These expressions suggest that the action is planned or expected to happen soon. For instance, I am meeting my friend later, or they are leaving this evening. Moving on to time expressions that indicate repetition or frequency, such as always, constantly, or often. These words show how regularly an action occurs, providing insight into someone's habits or routines. For example, he is always talking on the phone, or she is constantly checking her emails. Lastly, we have time expressions that convey a sense of urgency or importance, like right now, or at this very moment. These phrases highlight the critical nature of the action, emphasizing its immediate significance. For instance, I am calling you right now, or they are discussing the matter at this very moment. By incorporating these various time expressions into the present continuous tense, we can paint a vivid and dynamic picture of ongoing actions in real time. So, next time you're using the present continuous, remember to spice it up with these time expressions to add depth and clarity to your communication. Whether you're talking about work, study, or daily life, incorporating these time expressions can make your English sound more dynamic and engaging. Remember, English is a living language, always evolving and adapting to how we use it. So, next time you want to express what's happening right now, try using present continuous with time expressions to bring your words to life. Practice makes perfect, so keep using these structures in your conversations to master them effortlessly. Now, go ahead and start incorporating present continuous with time expressions into your English conversations. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. Stay tuned for more language tips and tricks. Happy learning!